what's up guys, Yusuf from Techdroids, and in today's video I take you guys on a $1,000 gaming PC build for the last few days of 2018 as a last minute gifting option for New Year's and if you missed out on Christmas, and also for early 2019 until we get some budget GPU options and some new CPUs from AMD. And with that being said, this is the video for you if you were looking for a PC around $1,000. This is going to be really good value for money and really good price to performance. And in this video I take you guys over the parts you need to build this PC, and towards the end we'll talk about the performance numbers and future upgrades and things like that. And with that being said, let's get started. For the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. It's a 6-core 12-thread beast with a base clock of 3.4 GHz and a boost of 3.9. It's unlocked so you can overclock to get some extra performance. Comes with a Wraith Stealth cooler from AMD and a 65-watt TDP for $155. This is a really good deal. Now to house that CPU, we have the Asus Prime B450-A. Again, it's a B450 AM4 motherboard in the Micro ATX form factor, DDR4 overclocking support, HDMI, DVI, VGA, M.2 slot for very fast storage, and a USB 3.1 Gen 2 port. For $80, a really good well-rounded budget motherboard. For RAM, we have 16GB of Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 at 3000 MHz, so this is two 8GB sticks. It's a really good kit, and 16GB should really help out in 2019 with those high-end games and some multitasking like video editing and live streaming as well. Now for some fast storage, we have the Crucial MX500, a 500GB SSD in the 2.5-inch form factor. This is a SATA SSD and it will give you speeds above 500 megabytes per second in read and write. And for $68, this is a no-brainer. Now for some mass storage, you have the 2TB Seagate Barracuda. Again, a 3.5-inch normal hard drive, 7200 RPM, and a 64 megabytes cache. And for $59.99, 2TB is a really good deal. And yeah, this is storage for years to come, and it's a pretty good deal. Now to power this whole build up, we have the Thermaltake 700 watt smart power supply with the 80+ white certification. And for $45, again a really good deal. It should be able to power this whole build up and also leave some headroom for future upgrades. The graphics card and the star of the show, we have the EVGA GeForce GTX 1070 superclocked, and this comes with 8GB of GDDR5 memory, DirectX 12 support, also has EVGA's own ACX 3.0 cooling for really improved cooling with longer gaming sessions. And for $350, this is a really good card. Comes with a base clock of 1594 and a boost of 1784, 3 display ports, 1 HDMI and 1 dual link DVI. And for $350, this is a really good deal. Now to wrap this whole build up, we have the Thermaltake V200 ATX mid tower case, tempered glass on all sides, a lot of space, really good looks, and also comes with 4 fans, 3 120mm RGB ones and a 1 black rear fan, again 120mm for $69.99, a really good case in my opinion. Now that's about it for the parts. Now let's talk about performance. And with the Ryzen 5 2600 and a GTX 1070 with 16GB of RAM, you should expect this PC to crush the modern AAA titles in 1080p, 60 FPS and above ultra settings. So yeah, you can max out pretty much any game out there at 1080p. And also 1440p gaming is also possible, and in the esports titles or the games that don't require a lot of power, CSGO, Dota 2, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, and yeah, the games basically that are easy to run, they can run 1440p, 60 FPS or 100 FPS depending upon the game. And yeah, you can always tweak the settings and resolution to get the best playable experience. With 16GB of RAM, live streaming and editing should be a breeze. And yeah, in terms of future upgrades, you can go up to a RTX GPU, but that won't get you really good gaming performance. And in terms of future upgrades, you can go up to a RTX GPU, or if AMD launches a better option in 2019, you can add that as well. But I think the GTX 1070 should be fine for the next few years. Yeah, you can also upgrade the CPU, the RAM, the storage, everything else, no problem. So that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful or if you enjoyed it in any way, go ahead and smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Buy from my links to help the channel out, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.